The Supreme Court rules today against the Trump administration's attempt to end the immigration program known as DACA. News Channel 10's Vania Patino has the story of a local man who benefits from this program.
After years of uncertainty, the Supreme Court made a decision this morning regarding the Trump administration's attempt to end the program DACA. In a 5-4 decision, the Supreme Court ruled today against the Trump administration's attempt to end the immigration program known as DACA, or Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. It does not grant a path to citizenship, but rather allows for those who qualify to work, attend college, and get a driver's license in the United States. In 2017, the Trump administration announced they were ending the program due to concerns about its legality. Julio Salazar is an Amarillo local and beneficiary of DACA. Salazar arrived to the U.S. as a baby and did not find out about his legal status until he tried getting a driver's license at the age of 16. After that, everything seemed to complicate itself: going to college, paying for college, getting a job. Everything he had planned was becoming impossible until DACA came around. When the decision in 2017 was announced, he felt the need to finally share his story.
That was a moment where I kind of realized that my life could be stripped away from me, and I realized that if I stayed silent, it was going to kind of cost me everything. So I had to step up and let people know that we're here, we are American at heart, and we're tax-paying Americans, so we want to stay.
After sharing his story, Salazar joined advocacy groups and began talking to U.S. senators to help create a permanent solution for the program. Today, the years-long legal battle culminated in favor of DACA recipients, also known as Dreamers. Although a win for this community, the decision today is a reflection of paperwork error made by the Trump administration.
What President Trump did is he rolled out the end of the program through just essentially executive order by saying he's going to go and end it. However, every administration must go through these steps, and every agency must go through these steps: a comment period, a proposed final ruling period, then a final ruling period, to allow the public to comment on why they would want a program to exist or not exist. And that's what the Trump administration failed to do. So
President Trump went to Twitter to respond to the decision by saying, quote, "These horrible and politically charged decisions coming out of the Supreme Court are shotgun blasts into the face of people that are proud to call themselves Republicans or conservatives. We need more justices, or we will lose our Second Amendment and everything else. Vote Trump 2020. United States, I am asking for a legal solution on DACA, not a political one, consistent with the rules of law. The Supreme Court is not willing to give us one, so now we will have to start this process all over again." With so many issues, including this one, on the table during election year, Salazar shares his food for thought.
Just tell people, it's like, hey, this is something that's affecting me, people like me. We're not criminals, we're not murderers, we're not rapists, we're your neighbors, we're the kid that you grew up and went to high school with.
Now the next step would be for a more permanent solution for their legal status to make it to the Senate. Vania Patino, News Channel 10.